So the view once feature allows you to send photos or videos that can be viewed once by the receiver. After the receiver views, the media will be disappear from the chat and cannot be viewed again. So this is designed to provide more privacy for the shared content. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of your WhatsApp installed on your device. Navigate to your Apple Store and search for the WhatsApp. Once you have searched for the WhatsApp here, if there is any update available, then you can tap on the update option to get latest version. After that, launch the WhatsApp on your device. So here you can see the update option, just tap on the update option. After the update, you can just go and open up your WhatsApp. And here you have to navigate to the chat option and go for the one of the messages here. And here you can tap on this plus icon and go for the photos. And here you have to select the one of the photos from the gallery. After selecting that photos, here you can just go for the one icon. You will notice the one icon or the circle with a line on the right side of the screen. Here you can see that which is on the text input field. You have to tap on this icon. So here you can see that after tapping on that icon, so the view once message give you the more privacy, just go for the OK option. And you have to tap on the set button or the arrow icon to share the media with the receiver. So the receiver will now be able to view the media only once. After they view, the media will be disappear from the chat and cannot be viewed again. So this feature is available for photos and videos only. So this way you can easily have the WhatsApp view once feature on your iPhone. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.